You want to do a quick review on this Blink doorbell camera. You hook it up to your existing doorbell wires, or you can just run it off double A batteries. That's what I'm doing, and battery lasts about a month or so. But it gives a good camera view to it. You see right here, it's me and my dog going out on the porch, but it'll pick up really good when a car pulls up or whatever. You um gives a quick response to it. It shows up really fast. We get an alarm on our phone. You also if somebody rings the doorbell, it'll show you on there too. Um, but this is the Blink doorbell camera. If you're looking for a good one, I highly recommend it. It works really good.